Practicing confidence. 1. Accept your passions. Now is the perfect moment to improve at any sport or hobby you've always wanted to be good at. Enhancing your abilities will confirm your talent and thus increase your confidence. Whatever piques your interest, do it. Pick up a musical instrument, pick up a foreign language, start a painting endeavor, start a construction project. 2. Contact strangers. To be clear, confidence is a habit rather than just a mental state. In essence, that is all people are. Therefore, you must act confidently if you want to be confident. Having a discussion with total strangers is one of them. Although it's daunting at first, you'll grow more accustomed to it. 3. Don't apologize too much. It's a nice quality to be able to apologize, but far too many individuals struggle with this. But be careful to only use it when required. While it is appropriate to apologize when you have offended or inconvenienced someone, doing so when you haven't broken any laws can make you feel inferior and like you should be sorry. Make sure this situation genuinely calls for your apologies before you let the words leave your mouth. 4. Gracefully accept compliments. Own it instead of just rolling your eyes and brushing it off. You merited it. Smile, make eye contact, and say, "Thank you." It doesn't undermine your humility to be kind when someone wants to compliment you. Rather, it demonstrates your politeness and sense of self-worth. 5. Gain confidence by assisting others. Spend some time praising someone else or performing a surprise act of kindness. Both of you will feel better about yourself and you'll make their day better. When you become a source of happiness, people will gravitate around you, enhancing the positive energy. 6. Leave behind those that drag you down. Being confident in a group of people who you believe are continuously critiquing you is difficult. Even if you are the most outgoing, boisterous, and confident person by nature, being among these folks makes you act like a puppy dog who hasn't been given enough attention. It's necessary to break those people of their unhealthy habits. Right now. 7. Speed up. Many people dislike crowded places. Even many people avoid public speaking altogether. It's crucial to calm down if you find yourself in one of these situations. When we're anxious, our natural tendency is to rush through things. Avoid doing that. One indication that you're anxious is this. Additionally, you're telling yourself that you're anxious. 8. Count on success. Many times in life, predictions end up coming true. We tend to not work as hard when we believe we will fail. When we feel inadequate, we frequently behave in an inadequate manner. If you anticipate success, you might simply wait it out. Being negative can really make you less competent. 9. Take chances. Sometimes passing through is the only option. You must go through events that make you learn in order to become good in life. It's impossible to excel at something right away. You will never improve at anything if you keep doing what you've always done. To advance, you need to take risks. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.